to my whether
I don't know.
whether I would recommend this career, ABAP career, to my friends, right?
Yeah.
Is it the
Yeah.
question?
Yeah.
Okay, like
Yes.
to me, like myself, yeah, definitely. Because as I mentioned, like
Depend on the person.
depending on the person, of course, when there is a when there is a guy who enjoys coding and he's thinking about programming language where there is a opportunity to grow your career, I would definitely recommend ABAP. First of all, I'm doing the ABAP training, so yeah, this is what I recommend in general. However, when I'm doing the comparison with what I was telling to you and trying to explain it in more words, there is definitely much bigger chance to grow your career in many directions, because once you get into programming, then you can then if you will see that you want to shift from a technical job, from development, from the programming, you want to get into more consulting mode, you can do that because you already have strong technical
The
background.
knowledge.
Yeah, and you just start working on the tasks for your customers, and you will be a very valuable guy because you will have the strong background of the technical things. If you would like to shift from technical consultant into higher positions, then you can, depending from company to company, of course, but you can, let's say, become lead or a technical lead for your team. Okay, so if you are so skilled, you can start building your own team or have your own team. Yeah, like there are so many opportunities, and depending on where you are heading. Okay, so if you are more communicative guy, you also want to talk to other guys, this is the other way. Okay, you can, if you want to stay with programming, that's fine as well. So yeah,
Okay.
depends on your abilities, depending on your goals, where you are trying to go and achieve what you are trying to. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Joe.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.